mali. Okay? Para dumali yung drills natin later, kick sa harap. Okay? Clear? Okay, that's first drill. Then yung next drill natin, mataas na. Mataas na siya. Okay? Clear? Okay, so everybody stand up. Check your surroundings again. Baka masipa na sila. Yan. Body level muna. Then make sure naka-point yung toes. Naka-point yung toes. Then as mentioned, kailangan straight ang legs. Hindi siya pwedeng bitin. Haba, dapat haba. Okay, ready? And so yan?
Kaya nagsabi siya sana sinabi daw si Baby para
Panic stance. Repeat. Right leg. Use your right leg. Kanan. Okay. Body level. Bababa lang muna. Huwag niyo muna biglayin. Baba lang. And 1. Good. Clip, kick, clip. 2. 3. Point your toes, make sure it's pointed. Okay, tapos ayan na, dapat gitna. Pag pinalik niyo yan, tatamaan yung pala teammate nyo. Okay, didiin nyo to shot dito.